Hey, hi, and hello, welcome guys. Welcome back to develop.ai. So, in this video, we are going to solve creating a Gmail add-on. So, if you're new to this channel, please make sure that please like, share, and subscribe for more updates on develop.ai, guys. So, the saddest part is that, guys, so I'm getting the views, but I'm not getting the more subscribers. So, I'm getting hundreds of views, but no subscribers. So it is like some demoting for finding solutions. So please make sure that guys please subscribe my channel and hit a like button and as well as bell icon so that you get more notification based on these solutions, guys. So on the cloud solution as well as AI, so don't forget I am preparing the AI. So based on that also you are going to get the updates. So make sure that please subscribe the channel. So let me move to our lab, guys. So start the lab here and click on this and copy your password and open your Gmail in ignore mode. So after opening, click on next here. So click on paste your password here and click on next here. So click on I understand here. So after guys, our user interface of Gmail will be look like this. And then the next tab, let me move for task number one in our lab. So at the app script link, open the signature mode and just come back here. So click the settings icon, then select the show app script johnson manifest file in the editor. So click on the settings icon, guys, here. So after clicking this, remove this and click this show appropriate. So make sure that pick this blue and then just come back and click on this editor tool. So at the below this of the project we must there will be an untitled project name. So just copy the Gmail add-on quick start. So just copy this and then just paste it here. So click on this untitled project and paste here and click on rename here. So after this click all here and remove this and then come back, guys, and then copy this and just paste it here so you can save this. So guys, you get some errors, guys, but don't ignore these errors. So just above this code GS you can see an app skip johnson here. So click on this, guys. So select all and remove this and just come back at the task number one. We have been successfully completed. Let me move for task number two. And above below this task number two they are giving a script here. So copy the script and paste it here. So wait a second, come back again and just copy this and paste it here. So click on this save, guys. So finally, guys, it has been no more errors here, you can see this. So click on this deploy, guys. First of all, click on the deploy and click on this test deployments here. So after the test deployments here, you can just install your applications Gmail. Install this. So after installing, click on done here. So just come back, guys. So click on check my progress at the task number two. So we have been successfully completed, guys, of the task number two, one and two. So at the come back and let me move for our Gmail account. So you can see here tips of the Gmail and then come back here and Gmail official app. So let me refresh, guys, here once. So after refreshing here, so you will get an label, this type of icon label, that make sure that it must be got like this. So come back here and at the left side we must create a label set. Click on this plus icon here and click on and type here test one here and click on create and add another one here, test test 2 and then click on create. So after creating, guys, make sure that the messages must be conversation of the messages must be opened like this, guys. So then only our list side icon of the right side of this Gmail add-on quick labels will be open and show this option to access. So this type of will be get to access. So click on this authorize access. So click on your ID which you have been recently accessing this lab. So click on allow. So after allowing, which you have been created labels 1 and 2, tick this. So it take a few seconds. After that, another one, tick this also. So finally, guys, our lab has been successfully completed. Let me move for another step and let me check our progress. So at the task number 5, let me check our progress, guys. So successfully we have been completed at the task number 5 also, guys. And this is an easy step, guys. So make sure that please like, share, and subscribe for more updates on devlabs.ai, guys. So let me meet on next lab, guys. So please like, share, and subscribe, guys. Thank you.